heaven. I'm in heaven, but I do appreciate you coming round. Jesus Christ, sawdust came out. I do hope there's a puppet heaven, because life on earth is hell. Well, my name, it changes variously. Obviously, today it's Percival. I'm 82, and my occupation is I'm a psychotherapist.
Hi, I'm Poppy, and I'm 8.
My name is Bert, and I am a dog.
My name is Poco. My age I will not disclose. And my occupation is ringmaster.
Well, I have many hobbies. Yes, stamp collecting. I'm a philatelist. Bell ringing. I'm a campanologist. Brass rubbing. That's quite interesting. I go to churches and I rub tombstones with a piece of paper and wax crayon. It's called what's it called?
I quite like singing and finding interesting things to do with turnips.
Frottage. Yeah, frottaging. I like I'm a frottageur. Yeah. And of course there's deep thinking. Deep thinking. Oh God, the darkness. Anyway, yes, that's what I like to do, but stamp collecting's my favourite. I have a very fond memory when I was just a small lump of clay, and I was manipulated and moulded into this fine figure of a man you see before you now, and oh, the gentle hands sculpting my face, and then screwing my legs on. That was quite a fond memory. And then when I first learnt to tap dance, watch. Oh God, it's exhausting.
How do you feel about being a puppet?
What? Puppet?
You're a puppet.
Oh. But, I mean, I don't have any strings, and I can talk with my mouth. Would a puppet do that? So, hang on. Does that mean that I'm your puppet? Yeah, it kind of does. You were built because of me. You look like me. What? I thought you looked like me. Oh.
Humankind and puppetkind differ. They should never meet. That's what I say.
What have you got? 80 years if you're lucky. 100, but you're a vegetable. You can't do nothing. Whereas I'm immortal. Well, as long as I don't get woodworm.
Obviously, puppets are much far superior. We can express our emotions with bigger gestures and feelings, and humans are repressed, locked up inside their fleshy bags, and they die. A puppet never dies.
Why do you think you were created?
Created? Well, I guess I kind of thought I was born, but maybe she created me because, I don't know, she wanted someone to look like her. It's a bit self-centered, isn't it? A bit kind of weird. Don't know. I just thought I was born with my mum and my dad and brothers and sisters like everyone is. Why are you born? Why are we born?
No, I do not feel I have any control of my life. I never know what I'm going to say next. It's embarrassing.
Of course I'm in control of my life. I can do what I want, go what I want, say what I want, think what I want. They can't stop you thinking, kids. They can't stop you thinking.
That's quite a tricky question. Would I go back in time and kill Hitler? No, I wouldn't kill him. I would turn him as a child. I would introduce him to the joys of puppetry, and then before you know it, he could have world domination through puppets. That's what puppeteers are. They're megalomaniacs. They think they control everything. They manipulate things. They're controlling. They're maniacs. They build everything and they destroy everything. And then Hitler could just be like a Punch and Judy man. Wouldn't that be nice? Wouldn't that be nice? I hate Punch and Judy. He's so violent. It's wrong. Maybe I should psychoanalyse him. That would be good. Mr. Punch, now answer me this question. When you were a child, were you abused? Yes.
Dreams. Ooh. Don't like to go into the dreams. Can be a bit dark and disturbing. Sometimes I dream I've got fangs. Got no teeth, you see. Look. See that? No teeth. Sometimes I wish I've got fangs, and there I am, tearing the throats out of people. Look, mad I am, look. Yeah, there's blood everywhere. Dead children everywhere, but I can't go there. I can't go there, it upsets me. Upsets him as well, Master, he don't like it.
The humans think that we're just light entertainment, but we can do much more than that. Like I said, we're deep. We think deep. In our dark, enclosed boxes, we're thinking. It's dark in the box. Very dark. Although, I have the place to myself. There's not a lot to do, not a lot to see. It gives me lots of time to contemplate and meditate and scream silently in my head.